La cucaracha, la cucaracha.
That was just fluid, huh? Now you gotta get me the fluid rhyme again.
Get a little quick, go.
And it goes.
Maxo.
Yeah. Today I feel Super Bowl.
Maxo.
Feel it in your mind. You lose control. Feel it in your breast. And you super soul. I don't say it a lot, but I know you know.
Like you're spitting like that guy.
Chomp. Crickets make you wanna chomp.
Yeah. Today I feel Super Bowl. Feel it in your mind. You lose control. Feel it in your breast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wi-Fi, why my Wi-Fi, why my Wi-Fi, why my Wi-Fi. Why my Wi-Fi don't work?
Yeah. Today I feel Super Bowl. Feel it in your mind. You lose control. Feel it in your breast. And you super soul. I don't say it a lot.
Oh baby. Crazy eyes, you got them sweet crazy eyes. Crazy eyes. Crazy eyes.
Yeah. Today I feel Super Bowl. Feel it in your mind. You lose control. Feel it in your breast. And you super soul.
I'm gonna be saying chugga chugga choo choo.
No, that's what I'm gonna be saying.
But you need to.
That's what I'm
What's
gonna be
the
saying.
rap on top of that?
Oh, you had it there.
Did you guys
Perfect.
get that? Like that's the infighting that I'm talking about of why I'm leaving the band because I come up with chugga
All right.
chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo, and she says that's her line, and I'm like no.
I'm pretty sure choo choo is on me.
I think it's amazing. I think we've got a good group.
Good chemistry.
Absolutely. I can't imagine anyone leaving the band.
What do you think about the crickets making the chomp? What do you think about the crickets? Good?
Cat dog, formerly known as Kit Kat.
Black Death BD.
Cassania. DC.
No, you have to say.
Left shark.
You have to say D. Say it.
Who's the data catcher?
Me.
That's
Of the threshold for friction.
Formerly known
As HR violation or HRV.
You really got the